Good question. Multivac is an amazing project and a great investment. Maybe I'm a little biased because I'm an investor. However, if you understand the tech and the people behind it, also the investors, it'll all make sense. And currently sitting at only $97 million compared to Harmony, which is at 3.7 billion, Multivac is way undervalued. Okay? It has often been compared to Harmony because of similar tech, sharding technology. However, I feel Multivac is a little superior. Don't get me wrong. I love Harmony. Okay? I love the Harmony team. I love the technology. I also have a bag of Harmony, but I don't see a reason why both can coexist. All right? So this post was made around almost 2 months ago, September 4th, when Multivac was sitting at only 55 million market cap and Harmony was 1.3 billion. Right now, today, Multivac is at 97 million, and earlier on it actually broke its all-time high, which is amazing. Currently sitting at 2 cents, 0.28, almost close to 3 cents, had a significant growth. And I don't see why this cannot 10x from here. Okay? First of all, they have an amazing team. So let's check out their website real quick. Okay? So, pioneering flexible blockchain platform based on trust sharding. By the way, I have already created multiple videos on Multivac, promoting it, talking about it. So, feel free to check them out. Okay? In this video, I'm just going to tell you why it's good and why I believe in this project. All right, team, if you look at the investors, the technology, the roadmap, they've been consistent with their roadmap. The partners, the ecosystem partners, Arrington XRP Capital, that's Michael Arrington, that he's well known for a lot of decent investments. He runs nodes on Terra, and then you have Fen Bushi. So yeah, there's some amazing investors, some great team members, and also they're coming up with their fresh NFTs. 4 more days. All right, and if you stake and if you hold 1 million MTV tokens, you'll probably get a free drop. And if you have 1 million tokens staked, you can run a node. So it's still early. Try to get 1 million MTV token if possible. Dollar cost average. You can stake any amount of MTV in the mainnet. It's really straightforward. Just go to their website, the staking. I've already created a video earlier on. Okay, you'll probably find it in the description. And yeah, giving you a juicy 16.40% APR. That is amazing. So yeah, once you stake it, you get decent airdrops, and at the same time, the value of the token goes up. Amazing team. I don't see why this wouldn't be a good hold for quite some time. That's all I have for you today. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Do you have a bag of MTV or are you planning to get one? Let me know, and I'll see you soon.